Hello, my name is Sanisha Rao Lingala. I'm an IT professional and I have a master's degree in computer science and a bachelor's degree in electronics and communication. Our current device landscape is a plethora of desktops, laptops, notebooks, smartphones, etc. But this is just the beginning. We are now moving towards a more and more web-centric future. Hence, we will talk about web development. Do you know how many people are on Facebook globally? It's more than 845 million active users. If Facebook was a country, it would have been the third largest country in the world. What makes Facebook that popular is its ability to connect people across the world. Hence, what a profession in web development does is makes ideas like these possible. Web development education ranges across vast areas like programming, networking, designing, and database management. For example, a simple website can be made with basic training for few months. A complex website such as Facebook or Amazon needs a lot of capability training and people with various skill sets. Web development can be based on three levels: front-end, back-end, and the logic layer. The front-end is a visual part in the website, and the back-end includes all the data saved in the site, and it is managed using database tools. Coming to the logic layer, it connects the front-end to the back-end and also includes the business logic. Let's talk more elaborately about the front-end. The front-end of any website development project is made by using visual tools such as Photoshop, GIMP, and you also need a markup language such as HTML, which is used to bind the page together. Additionally, if you're not a designer, then there are pre-made templates or layouts available which can be downloaded easily and you can start developing your website. Now coming to the backend layer, it is basically managing your database using tools like MySQL, SQL, Oracle, where data and content are stored and sometimes linked to each other. For example, all the posts in a blog are saved here and can be retrieved upon searching it. The logic layer is one of the key areas in web development. For example, a simple website has simple logic compared to a complex website. The business logic in the logic layer is written using programming languages such as ASP.NET, Java, PHP, etc. Each of these areas in web development again have many sub-areas. For example, the front end, which looks so simple in some cases, has to be maintained by teams of 50 to 100 people. Also, the backend is similarly a large area of study, but to make our jobs easier, there are a number of tools available. But they have to be selected based on the programming language used. Programming the logic depends on the capability of the person and their mastery of the specific programming language. Apart from these, there are other areas such as project management, testing, etc. that are also involved in developing a website or a web-based tool. Further, the front-end, back-end, and the logic layer are not only for popular websites like Amazon, CNN.com, or Mercado Libre, but also for web-based tools like Google Apps, Wantubi.com, etc. Apart from websites being made for regular screens like desktop or laptops, there is a new market for mobile apps and mobile websites. Talking about making a programmer's life simple, there are content management systems available in the market today. These include .NET Nuke, Joomla, Drupal, WordPress, etc. that makes the whole process of development really simple. In conclusion, I want to highlight 2 points. 1. A person can become a web designer with a few months of training or can become a specialist with years of training and experience. 2. If you want, you can focus on a specific area or have generalized knowledge on all the areas. It's a big enough area to suit your requirements and expectations. You have a lot to learn and so many things to create. The only barrier is yourself. Thank you for listening, and I hope this information was very useful. My name is Sanisha Rao Lingala, and if you have any queries, you can contact me on this link below. Have a good day.